Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link your Wise account to PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access a particular PayPal app on your mobile phone and get yourself signed in as well. Now afterwards, tap on this option called wallet just below given, and now you'll find this kind of interface, right? So if you tap on this plus on top, you will find this option of adding the bank and debit and credit cards. So first thing would be simply for you to access the bank's option, and now tap on this go to our website. So what this will do is this will simply access the website version. Again, you have to enter your email over here and simply sign in, and then here in this section again you have to go to this three horizontal on top, go to wallet and tap on this link a card option, and simply for you to have to link your particular bank. So for me, since I do not have yet linked even on a card, I do not have, but you will be able to find this option of linking your bank account. Once you have gone to, you're gonna enter your Wise account's information, and it will show you the further prompts for you to connect. Once you have successfully entered the information and confirmed the account's information over here, you will be able to connect your account, that particular Wise account, to your PayPal. So the next time you go back to your app and go to this wallet section or the payment section, you will find another option which will show you the option of Wise, which you can use to pay and transfer. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.